we go some for more like complex ciphers over there, okay, and see how we can go over there. So now we have to work collectively and see what are the different ciphers we have it. So say write a substitution in the function of permutation. Okay, there is a difference between substitution and permutation. Substitution means when you replace one word by another word. Okay, this is called substitutions. Okay, permutation means changing the order. Okay, order is changed, right? So let's see how we do the like permutation as well. So sometime by changing the order we can have some text over there. Now see over here. Now see here, this is A, B, C, D. This is a plain text, okay? This is a word, key, okay? And here, do you see the order is changed here or no?
Yes.
Yes, because the alphabet was in here before, A was here. But now we introduce this is a keyword. So instead of A, we have W, then O, then R, then D. After that one, we start the A, B, C, D to Z over there. And then we will put like a word, and then A, B, C, D, then word, A, B, C, D. So see, so the word, the order is changed. Before the order was what? The order was 0 here. But now you have changed the order to on the 5th part over there, right? So see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 over there, right? So on the 5th position. So it means we call as n permutation 3. Permutation 3 means like a 3 multiplied by 2, how much?
6.
6 over there. So how we go for like how this comes as a 5th position over there. So say that C is transfer to the into the E portion. So say A, B, C, D, and then E portion over there. So permutation, how you write permutation? N, for example, 3 permutation. You remember how we write the permutations over there? Okay, to make it simple for you, okay, just like see in the permutation, what you have to do it, you have to make it the order is changed over there, right? Now look at this one. Professional. Let's suppose the key is now professional. So what you have to do it? You have to put the professional, and then you have
Doctor, why you didn't write the full pronunciation professional? Like there is 2 O, there is 2 S. You didn't write it there.
Professional. What do you mean?
There is missing 1 S, 1 O.
Yeah, 1 S is missing, and okay, right. Yeah, because profession, double S, okay, and then A is already there, so we don't need to repeat the A again. See, and C over there. So it means that the repetition is not done. See the repetition.
Why is that?
So it's one is called the permutation techniques. Okay, permutation techniques over there, right? So just this is a technique, okay? Just learn this technique, and then we will see how we can apply over there, right? So see, the professional A is already there, so we don't need to write A again. See, we start with the B because A is already done. C, D, E is already done, so we don't need to write the E over there. See, E is already done over there. And then G, H, I is already done, so we don't need to write I. J, so it is just like to make confusion and diffusion. This is called Shannon. Shannon was a very best scientist in the world. Who Shannon? We call it Shannon Claude. Shannon Claude basically he worked on this permutations and on information theory basically, and he said that how we can make the arrangements over there, right? So in 1945, if he was not there, then the mobile in your hand and these things will not be over there. Okay, so basically he introduced this kind of things over there and more advanced over there based on the probability, right? So now see over here, this is one of the another method. Now look at this one, counting and rearranging say by 3. Now look at this one, how this one is done. This is say by 3. What does it mean? We put A, okay, and then we jump 3, we go to the D, right? And then after that one, so A, D, then G, okay, then J, then M, then P, okay, then S, okay, and then after S,
V.
V, and then
Y.
Y, okay, and after Y. So this is one of the arrangements. So we are using the same text, but we are changing the position. The order is changed. The words are not changed. In the previous one, in the Caesar, we replace it. See, it was replaced, substitute. But here, it's permutation. Permutation means we are just changing the order to make the attacker confused over there. The sender and receiver will know the order, this one, but the attacker will not know the order. Now then we start with the B. So B, and then E, then K, then N, okay, then Q, okay. See, so we got another sequence over there till how much? Till T, or how much? Till W, okay, or till Z, or till W, okay,
Till Z.
till Z, yeah. And then we start with the C, okay. And so now this, consider that this is the same letters over there, but what happened? The order is changed over there, right? So permutation means the order has been changed over there. So a polyalphabetic cipher means any cipher based on substitution using the multiple substitution alphabets. So polyalphabets means many alphabets over there. So this is one of the example, other substitution example based on the permutation function. So we call it N permutation 3. So in mathematics, if you want to go in depth of that one, go into the YouTube or Google, you will find how we find this 5 permutations over there. So there is a formula for it. You will see that 3 multiplied by 2 minus 1 kind of thing. If you remember, in the Sanavia you have done it. And there is a combination. There was 2 things. Remember, there was a C, okay, one is C and one is called N. So N is the permutation and C is the combination.